stop unwanted NovelAI auto-renewal charges right now? This video shows you precisely how to find and turn off auto-renewal in NovelAI settings quickly and easily. First, access the NovelAI website, log in securely, then click your profile icon in the top right and select Account Settings. From there, navigate directly to the Subscription tab, where you'll see your current plan details and the next renewal date. This initial check confirms your active status. If you're still seeing active auto-renewal, the next crucial step is locating the specific auto-renewal option itself. Within that subscription section, carefully look for the auto-renewal toggle or clear checkbox. It might be labeled slightly differently, so pay close attention to the wording. Once you've pinpointed it, disabling auto-renewal is simple. Just click that toggle or uncheck the box. A confirmation prompt will immediately appear asking you to confirm your choice. Read this prompt carefully to understand the implications, then confirm your decision. You should see a success message pop up and receive an email confirmation. To be absolutely sure, the final step is verifying the cancellation. Refresh your subscription page. The auto-renewal status should now clearly show as off, and your billing date should reflect an expiration. This guarantees you're in complete control of your NovelAI subscription moving forward.